This is literally what I've been craving for the longest time, so I'm so happy. Let's try a bit of the sushi together. Then I'm going to watch my movie without the cameras rolling. So we've got some crispy prawn rolls here. These are chicken gyozas, and then here is the salmon or love set. Then I've got my mango drink here, and I'm watching Think Like a Man. Let's taste this thing first. The salmon lover set. Soya sauce, all the little dish to put it in. Oh, that's perfect. This looks so good. Oh my god. The way I'm opening it with my nail for me.
See, these rituals were definitive in determining the exact moment when a boy joins the...
Yo, I forgot how much I love sushi. That is so good. I'm not going to use wasabi sauce because I know I'm not a fan of that. But we'll do a bit of soy sauce here. Let's try the crispy prawn rolls. This honestly tastes so good. I think as of right now, these salmon ones are literally my favourite. Salmon and avocado, big fan. Hey, oh my god, I literally have toothpaste all over myself. Anyway, let's make a nice cup of masala chai. Hope you're doing well. It is Saturday today, and today is going to be a jam-packed day full of content. I'm sitting on so much content that I've got to do for brands, and I need to get them done today because tomorrow I've got plans. So I just want to get it done today. Tomorrow I'm actually going to go watch football with a few of my friends. You already know the vibes are going to be great. So yeah, I'm just chilling today. Love Island is finished. I feel like I don't know what to do with myself. There's nothing to watch every night at 9 PM. Like, what am I going to do? I'm going to We Out Here festival in like 5 days. My boyfriend's turning 26 at the festival. So like the first day that we go is his birthday, which I'm so excited about. Yeah, it's going to be really good. So I'm just trying to take it slow whilst I'm in London. You know, filming all the content I can before I leave, finishing up any music that I've got to basically send to my producer, just because I've been sleeping on myself heavily. And yeah, I was like so hard on myself for not releasing anything in like 2 years, but it's like life gets in the way, and last year was a tough year for me. But we're back in business, baby. It's so funny when I make a cup of tea. It's like I'm giving you a tutorial, like you don't know how to make a cup of tea. Bloody hope you know how to. So I just finished doing all the content that I have to do for the day. I just thought I'd show you what I received this morning, which I'm so grateful for. The products are everywhere because I've just finished creating content. I basically got this beautiful luxury beauty bundle, which I'm obsessed with. The luxury beauty bundle was kindly gifted to me by Black Ballad UK, and they are an organisation who give black women a voice when it comes to choices that are made within the beauty industry. First things first, we've got the Alien Mugler perfume. I love a good scent. I've been trying to find a good perfume for a long time. I love a musky like feminine scent. Yeah, it smells lovely. This one's really pretty. It smells really nice. I'm definitely gonna save this for like date night occasions, but in terms of like an everyday scent, I don't think I'm gonna wear this one every single day. The perfume that I'm currently using is this one here. This one is Vibrant Caramel Candy from Zara, and it's just got it's got like a sweeter everyday kind of scent. I like this one. Then I got the All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. I've heard so many great things about this. I did a shoot for Tony and Guy. That's unreal when I say it out loud. And the makeup artist who works for NARS was doing my makeup. Even that sounds crazy. Yeah. And she told me that this is the best setting spray she's used throughout her whole time being a makeup artist. So shout out to you, Adriana. Oh, I miss her. She's so sweet. So I'm very excited to use that. Next, we've got the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. I'm definitely going to make this a part of my nighttime routine. I might even use it tonight. I always sleep better when I have an eye cream on. Let's see if I can open it because I haven't actually tried. Oh, it's sealed. Great. I have a feeling it's going to be green. Should we open it and see? It's yellow, guys. Interesting. It smells like avocado. I like avocados, so that's a good thing. And then I got the YSL Plumping Lip Oil Gloss. It's literally so cute. I can't wait to use it. I love lip gloss. I've actually got lip gloss on at the moment, but I might give it a go. Let's see. It's not as pigmented as I thought, but it smells unreal. It smells so good, like strawberries. It smells so good, like strawberries. And then I got the Prada mascara. The texture of this is so cool. It's like ribbed with little dots. It just feels amazing. And then the wand itself is quite thin, so I'm intrigued to use it to see what my lashes are going to look like. I normally use like a fat wand because, girl, I gotta curl these babies up. Like, imagine you're crying, having a really bad day, you're crying, and you remember, I'm wearing Prada mascara. Can't waste your tears on everyone. The next thing I received is the Lancome foundation. Okay, this is a plumping lip oil because my lips are plumping. they're tingling, bruv. I don't really wear foundation. As you guys know, I'm not a foundation wearer. Didn't really grow up wearing it, and I never really found my shades anywhere. So that's why it's really important for an organisation like Black Ballad UK to create spaces for black women to put their input in when it comes to the products that are going out in stores. Growing up in Poole, do you think I could find this? Never. Then we have Giorgio Armani. This is the eye tint shimmer in the shade Auburn, and it looks like this. A little shimmer that you just tap 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 and then use your finger and tap it like that. So very cute. It's giving New Year's glitter shimmer. Last but not least, we've got Valentino's double-ended color gel eyeliner and blending brush, which is really cool. I can't wait to use this for like a smoky eye. It's got the blending brush on one side, and then it's got the eyeliner on the other side. So I'm guessing it's going to be a matter of like you're using it as an eyeliner, and then you can also use it on your waterline, and then you'd go in with the blending brush and just kind of blend it out to make it nice and smoky. So yeah, that's the end of my haul. A big thank you to Black Ballad UK. Thank you so much. I'm forever grateful. Like, I think when you're a content creator, everyone remembers that point when they're like, I really want to receive products from brands, and you hear nothing because you've got no followers or because it's just not your time yet. And it has been constant recently, and I'm just so grateful. You know, I've received products from Rimmel London, from these amazing brands. Air Up have recently reached out to me, created content for them, and this is a product which I've been wanting to try for a long time. My water intake isn't as high as it should be, so this has definitely got me drinking more water. It's just so cool. I'm just like, it's a huge blessing, and it really does encourage me to keep going, because I didn't want to make content today. I really didn't. I woke up and I thought, I want to go back to sleep. It took me until 2 o'clock in the afternoon to get up and get my life together. And yeah, I'm so glad that I filmed the content, because now I can just edit, I can relax, I can eat good food, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Might bring you along with me to football with my friends tomorrow if you guys want to come along. But yeah, catch you soon. Mwah. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. I said Sunday. Today we're going to a football match. We're going to Stamford Bridge, and we're going to watch Chelsea Women's versus Barcelona Women's. I don't know what's happened to me ever since being in a relationship with my boyfriend who supports Chelsea. Become a low-key Chelsea fan. I'm not going to tell him, but my boyfriend loves Chelsea. He's got all the football t-shirts, so I like to wear them, make them look cute. Today we're going with this blue long sleeve 2014 jersey jacket. I don't know if it's a jersey jacket, I just made that up. There's going to be drinks, there's going to be hot dogs. Well, I want a hot drink, I want coffee. Didn't think I want to drink alcohol, because this weekend, like, I literally went to Kitchenada last night at Alexandra Palace, also known as Ali Pali. It was the best time ever. I went with my friend Savannah. She came from Southampton to London, and I was like, I can't believe I've never met you in person before, because we basically grew up in the same area. She went to one school, I went to another school, but we had mutual friends from our middle school. That happens so often, like, it's so weird. I have this one friend in school called Sam. Love you, Sam. No, you're watching. You better be watching. We went to the same middle school. Didn't speak throughout the whole of middle school. Went to the same secondary school. Didn't speak in secondary school. And then we went to sixth form in that same secondary school, and we became like besties. I was like, where have you been my whole life? But he's literally been by my side. These past few weeks have been really good. I've been outside in nature, and then just having fun events to go to is the hack to a 9-to-5 life. Because when you're working a 9-to-5, it feels sometimes like it can be very repetitive. However, you have to make things enjoyable for yourself. Like, do things you say you want to do. If you want to start a new hobby, start a new hobby. Don't wait on other people. Go to events. Like, I love music so much, and of course I'm a musician, but also being exposed to concerts, gigs, that's all homework for me. It impacts my output as an artist, and also just having access to fresh perspectives definitely makes me look at my own work and be like, I want to change this. Anyway, but yeah, literally woke up today, did some content for Skin and Me. They kind of gifted me with some gorgeous skincare. They've sent me the brief for it, and it's basically due next week, and I thought, I'm not going to do it after my 9-to-5. I'm not going to do it before my 9-to-5. Let's just do it now on the weekend before we go out. So I just had to wake up a little bit earlier. My boyfriend's going to come out the toilet because he's in the shower right now, and he's going to say, you better not be doing makeup on my jacket. Oops. Who told you to date a girly girl? Hey.
Oh, hell no.
What?
I'm trying to fucking wake up.
I told you. If you guys want to see a get ready with me updated makeup routine, let me know. Let me know. I'll film it.
Oh, he's gonna pick up.
Oh no.
The table was so filled that
time for you to go home.
The makeup is given. I might even do a little voiceover. A little 1, 2, 1, 2.
Now I do have an idea.
Okay, makeup is done. We're ready. I'm literally about to leave the house now. That's all I have to say. I don't know if I want to take you guys with me because I'm not sure if I can actually bring my camera in the stadium. Me, my boyfriend and a friend of ours, we're going all together this Sunday. It's gonna be good. You ready?